Each child represents hope. They're one of the biggest lights in this world, I think. Ever since I was little, I wanted to be a pediatrician. Emmanuel College's nursing program stood out to me from its sim lab. It's brand new. We have mannequins that can speak to us, can show us different respiratory issues, so I can be more comfortable going into an actual patient's room. I think all of my professors have been absolutely outstanding. They will help us with not only schoolwork, but life things as well. They have pounded us by saying, when you guys are ready for a job, we will look at the job offers with you and we will help you compare all of them. I can create relationships when I'm graduated now, working in the hospitals. I get to see them, I get to create this relationship with them, and I can know them for the rest of my life as well. When I was 16, I got diagnosed with leukemia, and I had a 2-year battle with that. And I had a lot of complications during it, but throughout my time there, the nurses were my rock. Now, I'm currently a clinical assistant after becoming a Flynn Fellow on the floor I was treated on at Children's. Having my rotation at Children's, I definitely think having that connection already from Emmanuel has opened up another door for me, because I've had training there throughout my clinical experience. I still have so much more to learn as a nurse, but we have such specialized courses that they build on top of one another, and I think that's really foundational in nursing, because you have to use your basic critical thinking skills. If you want to be a nurse, you'll have that passion, and I think you will excel in your classes if you have that passion here at Emmanuel. Emmanuel is the heart of medicine. Emmanuel is the heart of Boston.